Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about my group title, which is Mackintosh and JKR Probes. As you can see from here, wait, okay, as you can see from here, Mackintosh and JKR Probes. What is Mackintosh? So, as the opening, I want to tell a bit about Mackintosh and JKR Probes. Mackintosh is a lightweight dynamic cone penetrometer, which is designed for soft and loose soil. It is for investigate shallow soil strength. And JKR props is about field penetration test tool which used in Malaysia in our country, and it is for to estimate hardness or bearing capacity of soil. So the similarities for both method is both are dynamic penetration tests, and both also used to measure the soil strength. And for the measure soil strength, we can see more from the method that I will show you guys. And both used for shallow investigation. And lastly is portable and manual, which is no use machinery, just use manpower. Okay, we move to the first slide. This is my expert members, Abdul Qayyum bin Muhammad Labik, me Hasib Akmal bin Muhammad Rusli, and lastly Emily Puyang Jao. So this is the second slide, which overview and purpose. Like I said, this is more simpler than what I tell you guys before, which is Mackintosh and JKR Probes is in situ test for preliminary soil investigation, used mainly in soft to medium cohesive soil, and yeah, like I said, common in measure for housing, road, and small structure project. And the purpose also is to, like I said lah, to determine soil strength and consistency based on penetration resistance, and provide quick estimation before detailed boring or SPT. And we move to the next slide. Okay, this is what I said about the point of both JKR and Mackintosh for measure soil strength, which is this method. Okay, from the basic principle, as you can see, 4.5 kilogram hammer is dropped freely from 300 height, and the cone 60 or 30 degrees penetrate the ground, and it recorded the number of blow required for every 300 penetration. So there are two types. Macintosh probe use either 60 or 30 degree cone, while JKR probe is only use 60 degree cone. The test procedure is the process is halted if hard layer is encountered. 400 blows or more to penetrate 300 or total length of roads reach 50 Okay, we move to the next slide. So this is M value in as the I made this more simpler. The M value increase, which will lead to soil become denser or stiffer. It is useful for quick field estimation of soil type and strength, adopted in JKR Malaysia guideline for preliminary site classification. And for design, always verify with lab and borehole data. So as you can see, table 1.3, relationship between SPT and JKR or Mackintosh probe and unconfined compressive strength or clay after Terzaghi and Peck 1953 in Public Work Department. And also have table 1.4, which relationship between SPTN, JKR or Mackintosh probe and unconfined composite strength of clay after Carroll 1960 in public work department. So this type of also have formula and table which we can found in the our textbook. Okay, then we move to the last slide. As the conclusion, Macintosh or JKR probe test is a simple, portable and economical method for shallow soil investigation. Portable, why is it's portable? Because we not use the machinery, we just use our manpower. And it measure M value, number of blow per 0.3 meter penetration, which can be correlated with SPTN value. It provide a quick estimation of soil consistency, relative density and bearing capacity, and is useful for preliminary assessment of foundation condition in soft or medium soil. So the advantages and limitation also have in this method, which I want to say first about the advantage. It is quick and cost effective because it require minimal manpower and equipment such as hammer and no use like machinery, and is ideal for soft cohesive soil and remote area. But limitation for this method is it's not suitable for dense gravel or very hard soil, and its accuracy depend on operator skill and soil type. I'm sorry. And it should be used for alongside borehole or lab test data for final design. So that's all from me. Thank you.